Hello everybody and welcome back to today's brand new video. Today's video, you guys, is gonna be one of my favorite videos of all time. And as you can see, I am not in my house. So as you can see, I'm actually in my college, which is the College of St. Benilde here in Taft. And since I haven't been active for quite a while, I'm just gonna be doing something fun and something very chismis. Kasi alam kong gusto niyo mga chismis, di ba? I just finished a lot of classes and activities today here in my college. And I decided to show you guys what's gonna be inside my bag. So if you wanna see, then please keep on watching. Today is an example of a really busy day as an interior design student. As you can see, this is our lanyard or ID. Super dami kong dala today, and I just think it's the perfect day talaga to share you guys what's inside my bag. As in, dala ko talaga yung buong bahay namin, dai. Okay, so let's start first with my bag. So this is my tote bag from Marc Jacobs. This is actually my second bag na Marc Jacobs. If you guys know, for my loyal subscribers out there, yung mga nanonood pa sa akin way back before, you know that this is gonna be my second Marc Jacobs bag already. And my first one was actually the box bag ng Marc Jacobs, and I decided to get this tote bag since it's big, it's humongous, and you can actually fit a lot here inside the bag. So with the bag itself, it's actually a leather. Alam nyo, I think meron silang different kinds of materials that you can actually choose from. They have leather, they have fabric na type, and one thing that I love about this one is the handle is very sturdy, so you can actually bring a lot without being too painful. You get what I mean? And then I also love the fact that it has the strap on the side, so hindi mo lang siya pwede hand carry. Pwede mo rin siyang cross body bag. I'm actually really happy about this bag as well kasi it's not just a tote bag. One thing I really like talaga about this bag. One thing that I love about this bag then kasi it has a zip top. So, iwas snatching to die. Iwas dukot die. If you're in the Philippines, you know that tote bags without the zipper is actually really dangerous kasi uso po ang dukutan. Yes. Oh, diba? Para iwas ang dukutan dito, Mari. Zipper. Oh, di madudukutan die. And then since sabi ko nga sa inyo, very rotong video na to, very unplanned, I'm gonna be showing you how dirty my bag is already. I've been using this for 3 months, and this is the compartment, guys. It's a big compartment lang inside, and it has a big zipper inside and 2 pockets. That pocket and zipper sa likod niya is actually really helpful because I get to like put my makeup, my coins, and other stuff that I want to be separate. Sabi kasi akong kabubot dahil kaya gusto ko yung pasok-pasok like that, very fast and easy. Perfect chef's kiss. So for the back, guys, here's the first pocket. I actually have my makeup retouches. So if I wanted to retouch, ayan, pretty. If there's some guapo guys around, you know, I have some kikay kits. I actually have few products lang. I have my favorite concealer from Tarte Shape Tape. I'm actually in the shade 29N Light. Ano to? Light Medium. So favorite concealer ko to, guys. I always use it. For 1 year na to, hindi ko pa rin siya nauubos. And then I also have my Fenty Beauty na cream blush in the shade Strawberry Dip. Kasi I like strawberries. I love fresh strawberries. Then I also have my Vice Cosmetic Gloss. This is in the Diamond Boom. She is one of the best, you guys. Super ganda nitong gloss na to. As in, good for everyday lang siya. Medyo minty lang siya, which is, hindi ko masyadong fan ng mga minty. I don't like minty stuff. And then lastly, I have my Sunny's Face na Girl Crush. Tapos I also have hair clips whenever I wanna be a baddie. You know what I mean? So far, yun yung laman ng backside of my bag. Let's go naman with the bag itself. Kung ano yung mga dinadala ko for an everyday basis. This time, if I'm very busy talaga sa school, like, super gahol na, I always have this pencil case of mine. Pero this time, hindi naman mga pencil ang laman niya. Obvious man. Obvious. The inside naman of this one is actually chargers, yung USB readers for the MacBook. I always put here my charger, my AirPods, just in case na I need to grab something, it's all organized, di ba? Para kukunin mo na siya. Ayoko nang magulo. Ayoko nang ano ko gamit ka. I don't like that. My iPad. This iPad is very old na. Super old na itong iPad na to. As you can see, super dusty na ng face, nakakahiya. Pero this iPad is very helpful, guys, kapag Very helpful kapag if I have video editings that is due for my school. I always do it here sa aking iPad. And this is also a good search tool whenever may papasearch sa inyo, ganyan. And it's very handy din kasi if you have Apple products, you know that it's very easy to use, especially pag ini-airdrop lang siya with your MacBook, with your phone. So it's very fast. That's why this iPad is very helpful. And today we have some video editing today na due. So I brought this one. And it's very, very helpful talaga. I believe this is the iPad 5th generation. So iPad pa po ito ng mga lolo natin. Diyos ko, napakatagal na po nito. The next one naman that I have is a very statement college piece. So I'm pretty sure everyone has this one. This is my binder notebook. And yes, even if I have iPad or MacBooks already, guys, I always still make notes sa aking mga subjects. It's just that because I think mas natututo ako if I'm writing it down over than iPad. Kasi pag iPad, nati-distract ako eh. Hindi ako napupunta sa notes. Pupunta ako sa mga tube-tube, mga red tube. Napupunta ako sa mga YouTube kasi. And that's why I decided to have my own notebook. And then I actually have an unboxing this one. Panoorin nyo sa Shopee haul ko. Since it's binder, madali lang siya i-adjust yung mga notes, guys. You don't actually need to tear up the paper para lang mag-ulit. Kasi with the binder, you can actually replace it, diba? Gets nyo ako, yun na yun. The next one that I have is my pencil case. So it comes with this transparent na pencil case lang din. It's actually from Shopee then. So it's actually in my Shopee haul then if you wanna watch it. And all the pens that I have is just good for everyday writing notes. I just wanna feel the vibes of writing, guys, even if lahat ng klase ko naka-iPad na and laptop. The next thing that I have inside my bag is this mini case. Now, this is very handy for me. It's not just a case. Put here my face mask. Ayan, if I need face mask. Plus, sometimes if I need some papers na ayokong malukot, like yung printed out, I want it to be super straight and hindi siya malulukot. I can actually use this one as well para hindi malukot. And then I always use the calling cards here, resibo. Sometimes if I wanted to make some, gusto ko maging marketing, means mga feeling ko marketing student ako, ganyan. Nalagay ko lang dito yan, dahil. Again, this is also from Shopee. Very cheap lang to, guys. Siguro 35 pesos lang din to. Next one that I have is an actual, recently purchased ko lang to, siguro yesterday. This is the Sunny's Care Kit. Ito yung sa Sunny Studio. Now, this is very important, especially for those that may glasses or nag-reading glasses, anti-radiation. Alam mo, super aesthetic talaga ng Sunny's, no? They can literally take my money talaga. It actually comes with clean lens, a microfiber cloth, and a mini screwdriver. And this is very helpful as well kasi ayokong loose yung handle ng glasses ko. I always want it to be sturdy. So, may screw siya nakasama, guys. So, if you wanted to tighten it, loosen it, you can use the screw. The cloth is way more thicker and very good for cleaning the lens talaga. As in, malilinis niya talaga, dahil kasi yung dulong-dulo ng mga germy. Tanggal yan, dahil. Tanggal! This one retails for 150 if I'm not mistaken. You actually get what you paid for. It's super nice. Kung malaking glasses, gusto trip niyo bumili, bili rin kayo! And then the next one that I have naman is my glasses. Of course, my glasses from Sunny Studios din as well. And this is actually my third time buying my glasses. So if you have been watching my vlog, especially when I was in Thailand, iba yung glasses ko. And this time, iba rin yung glasses ko. This is the Nigel glasses in the shade Hazelnut. So ganyan yung color niya. As you can see, medyo brownish siya. I actually chose the brown one kasi very oily. And every time na mag-oil up ako, nag-yellow talaga yung glasses ko. Before I had a transparent one and I chose the brown one para hindi halatang nagdidilaw siya if ever, you know, you're a dirty person like me. Because I'm a dirty person. Charot. This glasses is very cheap. I think it only retails for 750 pesos and it's actually super nice, guys. Ano lang siya, really anti-radiation glasses lang siya, guys. So I always use it whenever I'm editing and madami akong work sa laptop. Next one that I have is the star of the show, ang nagpapabigat po sa aking bag. Oo, and this is my laptop. This laptop, this case, guys, super ganda rin ito. This is also from Shopee, maybe 40-50 pesos lang din. And then this is my laptop. This is the MacBook Pro M1 2020. I have told you guys the good thing about this laptop. If you want something that's really fast, reliable, and super easy to work with, MacBook is always the best for me. As in, super bilis kong natatapos lahat ng gawain ko every time I use this one. Kaya naman bit ko din siya talaga everyday. Kahit kuba-kuba na ako, dahil at sakit na likod ko, go lang, push lang, matapos lang talaga magagawin ko, dahil. And then last but not the least is one of my favorite stuff na lagi ko talagang dinadala everyday. This is a recent purchase of mine as well. This is the Reckless wallet. Now, Reckless is actually a very small brand pa lang sila. They're actually starting now and I'm really happy with this brand. Super cute talaga. And this one retails for 800 pesos only. But the only thing na hindi ko medyo gusto sa wallet na to is since super ganda niya na, 'di ba? Yung ano niya, yung main ingredient main material niya is parang tela. So, if pawisin ka or pasmado ka like me, super mabilis dudumi yung wallet. In front of it, it has a card holder for very quick lang nakuha ng card. I always put my beep card here, guys, every time. And then inside, ganito yung inside niya. So, may dalawa lang siya lalagyanan for the money and then for the coins. And then sa sides niya, it has mini pocket for your card. So, meron dito and then meron din sa other side. So, very simple lang siya, guys. Last but not the least, I have my phone. Always sa bago ko like ko siyang dinadala. Again, this case is from Shopee as well. And kung hindi nyo siya makita, pumunta kayo sa TikTok ko. And you can click the link in my bio to buy this case. Super cute, diba? Super very aesthetic. So that's it. Yun lang ang aking mga dinadala every time I'm going to my college. It's not a lot, pero I just want to share with you guys what's inside my bag. Kasi I haven't done this content for quite a while. If you have been a loyal subscriber man, super tagal ko na talaga. Hello po. Wala na po. So ayun guys, I hope you did enjoy this kind of video. And all the links will be linked down below. So kung may nagustuhan kayong product, just go down below. And again, if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And always remember to put your packness to the next level. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!